Welcome to Quickfigurator, designed by QuickCable. This short tutorial will show you how to use the Quickfigurator to make custom configured products, view and print your product drawing, and request a quote. The Quickfigurator allows you to design custom cable from your computer without any special drafting software like AutoCAD or SolidWorks. Let's get started. The Quickfigurator interface is clean and simple to understand. The Welcome page contains a project window where all the drawing projects you've created will be saved and listed. From here, you will be able to print, copy, or delete your drawings. Below the project window are the product types you can choose to draw. Below this area are links to our catalog pages of braided strap, battery cable, and booster cable. You may discover we already have what you're trying to build. It's a good idea to check here before you begin drawing. At the top of the page, you'll find a link to frequently asked questions. If you have a question about the Quickfigurator, chances are you'll find the answer here. If you have a question not addressed in the FAQs, click on the Contact Us button for immediate support. We'll respond quickly to any questions you may have. At any time, you can click on the Home button to clear and start your project over. Okay, let's draw. Step 1 says to click on the type of cable you wish to draw. We'll choose battery cable. Next, Step 2 asks you to choose a gauge size for your cable. In Step 3, you'll notice a canvas area and a bill of materials component list. As you continue to choose various components for your drawing, the component list will fill in. If you hover over the various cable types, you'll notice detailed descriptions for each type. We'll click on battery cable. Battery cable has two colors from which to choose, red or black. We'll choose black. If you mistakenly choose the wrong cable type, simply click on the previous button and choose the correct cable type. Next, we'll choose the length of our cable. You can choose length either in inches or millimeters. Now we need to choose a connector type for the left side. Again, hovering over the connector images will provide you with detailed product information. Let's click on Quick Connectors. As you can see, there are a lot of choices for quick connectors. We'll choose a straight clamp negative. Our next step is to choose heat shrink. Since heat shrink is not mandatory to make a cable, you have the option of not choosing anything. We'll choose flex tube heat shrink. Within the flex tube heat shrink category, you have three types: clear, black, or red. We'll choose black. Next, we need to choose a terminal protector. That completes the left side components. You can see that the bill of materials component list has filled in with the components for the left side. Let's choose components for the remainder of the cable. We'll choose a straight clamp negative, black flex tube heat shrink, and a black terminal protector. Finally, we can add split loom on the cable. Okay, we're done drawing. Notice the components list. Each line has a short description of the components chosen. Below the components list are some mandatory fields to complete in order to save your drawing project. Check the Request a Sample box if you would like a sample sent to you. Click Save and Continue. Your drawing project has now been saved and is ready to view and print. Carefully examine the product specifications. You can request a quote or print by clicking on the words Print or Request a Quote. Once you request a quote, you will receive a quote from your account manager within 48 hours. Please see our tutorial list for other specific functions of the Quickfigurator.